in first bracket x plus 3 into in another bracket x plus 8 into x square minus 64 divided by x minus 8 square. Now the solution, first step is as it is x square minus 5x minus 24 divided by in first bracket x plus 3 in another bracket x plus 8 into x square minus 64 divided by x minus 8 whole square. Now this is the factorized method and this is the separately bracket into x square minus 64 divided by x minus 8 whole square. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b in first bracket, a minus b in another bracket, and x minus 8 square. What is the expansion formula? Tell me expansion formula. A minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is the factor of minus 24? The multiply of minus 24. 8 3s are 24. Minus 5 is addition and the condition is minus 24 multiply. So 8 3s are 24. Minus 8 into plus 3. Minus into plus minus. 8 3s are 24. Minus 8 plus 3 is equal to minus 5. This is the factor. Minus 8 plus 3. X square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24 divided by in first bracket x plus 3 in another bracket x plus 8 into, this is the formula, x whole square minus, what is the square root of 64? 8 in bracket 8 whole square. X minus 8 whole square is equal to expansion formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. X minus 8 whole square. Tell me answer. X square minus 2 8s are 16. 16 into x, 16x. Minus 8 whole square is equal to 64. So common x square minus 8x. What is the common? X is common in bracket x minus 8. Now the plus 3 is common in bracket x. Plus into minus, minus. 3 8s are 24 divided by x plus 3 in first bracket and another bracket x plus 8 into a square minus b square in first bracket a plus b in another bracket a minus b. So use of a square minus b square formula. X plus 8 in first bracket and x minus 8. This is the position of into. What is the factor of 64?
8 8 64.
8 8s are 64. But minus 16 x is addition. So minus 8 minus 8. Minus 8 or minus 8? Minus 16. Minus 8 into minus 8. Minus into minus. Plus 8 8s are 64. So the factor is x square minus 8x plus 64. These are the two brackets, each common. X minus 8 in singly and another is x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 x plus 8 into x plus 8 into x minus 8. Now the common x is common in bracket x minus 8. Now minus 8 is common in the bracket x minus into plus minus 8 8 za
64.
x minus 8 into x plus 3 as it is divided by x plus 3 in first bracket, x plus 8 in another bracket into x plus 8 in first bracket and another bracket is x minus 8 divided by these are the two common x minus 8 and another is same x minus 8 in first bracket. Now the cancellation method, x minus 8 get cancelled, x plus 3 get cancelled, x plus 8 and x plus 8 cancelled, and x minus 8 cancelled. This is the numerator position and this is the denominator position. And into numerator and denominator. What happened lastly? 1 by 1. 1 1 za 1. This is the final answer.